Hey there, fellow seekers of truth. Welcome back to my channel, where we delve into thought-provoking topics. Today, we're diving into the intriguing question: why are there so many differences between religions? Before trying to explain the best way I can, I would like to say that all scriptures of light are exceptional gifts to humanity. Religions like Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Judaism, Sikhism, Taoism, and Zoroastrianism. A whole lot of isms, but Hinduism does seem to have a different depth. To help us understand these religious differences, let's draw a metaphor from nature. The wheat that grows here and on the other side of the world might be called differently due to language, but it's wheat nonetheless. It comes to serve the same purpose. What does happen is that the soil might come to have different qualities that the plant will come to express, but what's planted is essentially the same. Religions are shaped by the unique qualities of their respective cultures. Customs, traditions, and societal norms can shape the interpretations and practices within a religion. It's this diversity that gives rise to the rich tapestry of religious beliefs and rituals we see today. Yet, it is both sad and curious that we often find ourselves engaged in a tug of war, pulling on opposite ends of a rope. We fail to recognize that at the core of every religion lies the same universal message that seeks to pull us toward the very same place. Instead of focusing on our differences, let's embrace the underlying unity that exists among religions. By understanding that different religions are diverse expressions of a shared human longing for the divine, we can foster greater compassion and respect for one another. If you enjoyed this exploration into the differences between religions, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of open-minded seekers. Remember, embracing diversity while finding common ground is the path to a more harmonious world. Thank you for joining me today. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and always seek the truth. Till next time, keep an open mind and open heart.